So an easy method of doing this without removing the wheel would be to just turn it to the right. You can see right there that little twist cover. That's what we actually take off to get to the headlight. It's just got a single Torx head type screw holding it on, and you just twist it and the whole cover comes out and the headlight's right inside there. So we're gonna use a single T20 Torx bit. As you can see right there, that black dome-shaped cover, that's what we're going to twist off again, and then the headlight should be right behind there. And there's the light right in there. Just twist that to the left about 45 degrees, and it should pop right out. So to actually remove this, as you saw, there's just that little clip there. You just pull the little tab out away from the bulb housing like this, and then this thing comes right off. So we just got the bulbs from AutoZone. You can probably pick these up at literally any auto parts store. I'm sure Walmart and other places will have them as well. They are H11 bulbs. So the process to put these in is the exact same as the removal. Just gotta slide into the clip, put the plastic covers back on, starting with this one, and then that one, and then put that little screw on, and it should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get these bulbs in. All right, now that we got the bulb in, we're gonna go ahead and turn the headlight on before we put everything together just to make sure that it works. Bam, look at that. Turn it back on.
Sorry.
Nice and bright. Beautiful. So now that they work, we can go ahead and put these covers back on the exact same way that they came off, and then switch to the other side. Make sure that you line up the holes for the bolt, and then that inner dome-shaped cover that we just put under this one, it has to go a certain way as well. So if it doesn't want to go on, keep twisting it and trying, because I know that some of the, I call these like little cutouts, are different sizes around the length of it. So if it doesn't go in one way, just keep rotating it. Try it again. You'll eventually get it on. It can be a bit tricky though. Just get this nice and finger tight. You don't have to crank down on it because this is just plastic. So that should be plenty good. That's a job well done.